Concerned about the poor condition of service for judicial officers in the country, Sebastian Horn, a senior advocate of Nigeria, decided to take action. He filed a case at the National Industrial Court, joining the Attorney General of the Federation, the National Assembly, and the Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Allocations Commission as respondents. In the course of this hearing, attempts were made to reach out of court settlement. These attempts, however, failed. Justice Obaseki Osage, in a considered judgment, eventually found in favor of the plaintiff. The court held that the current salaries and allowances of judicial officers in the country are not only abysmally low, but embarrassing. The court consequently ordered government to put machinery in place for the immediate review of salaries and allowances. The new salary, as ordered by the court, will see the Chief Justice of Nigeria earn a monthly salary of 10 million naira, while other justices of the Supreme Court will take home 9 million naira. The President of the Court of Appeal is to earn 9 million naira, while other justices of the Appellate Court 8 million naira. Chief judges of both federal and states high courts earn 8 million naira, while the judges of the federal and states high courts 7 million naira. The judge held that the refusal of the federal government to review the judicial officers' salaries and allowances for 14 years was unconstitutional, unlawful, and should be compelled to do the needful.
Do you know that for 14 years they have been on the same salary? Do you know that? 14 years. It reminds me of the incident in the Bible involving Jacob and Laban. Laban reduced this man's salaries for 10 times as good as he was. That's what we're doing to the judges. And at the same time, we go on blaming and criticizing them. So, the judgment of this court is that the Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Commission should review the salaries of the judges and the justices. And I make appeal to the Attorney General of the Federation and the Chairman of the Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Commission to see to it that this judgment is implemented immediately. Yes. Now, I put this question to you, pressmen, because for 14 years you have been here, the judges have been receiving the same salary, the naira has been going down all the time, and you kept quiet. Why?
I have always said that they are living on very poor salaries and emoluments. Today is a watershed. Today is the hallmark of a new dawn in the justice sector of this country. I believe that this fight is not personal. This fight is for everybody in Nigeria. Because without the judiciary, there can be no Nigeria. That is the hope of the common man. And the judges are suffering, the justices are suffering. I know how much I'm earning as a senior advocate of Nigeria, and I also know how much they're earning. How can they discharge justice without fear or favor? Yet they've been trying. So, this judgment by this courageous judge must be implemented. I also join in calling the Attorney General of the Federation and the Chairman of the Revenue Mobilization, Fiscal and Allocation Commission to enforce this judgment forthwith as ordered by my Lordship. Anybody standing in the way of this judgment does not mean well for the judiciary.
Justice Obaseki Osage lamented that it is unfortunate that justices and judges who are ministers in the temple of justice have become victims of injustice in the country.